mentioned earlier reputation as being a key component of actually making the changes that you need to. Now, I can see how lots of the changes that you're talking about will actually improve that on a local level with the specific customers. Is there anything that could be done on more of a general level so that you're at least starting from a better base in the first place? Yeah,
well, certainly we do that. That improves it with you know, that individual customer. But another part of the work that we're doing is actually trying to improve the way our representatives work with customers, which I think will overall improve our reputation. You know, there's other things that we're doing at a corporate level with transparency of our clinical data and things, but I really believe that just like at that CAM level, our reps have to, and again, I appreciate that they're responsible for product sales, but it can't be pushing a product where it's not actually necessary or needed. And so just like with the CAM, we're trying to get the reps to have a better understanding of their customer and then to fit where the brands actually fit in to meet the customer's needs versus the other way around. And so, in fact, just about 4 months ago, we launched a year-long training program for our representatives. We're calling it Invest in You. And the first thing we're doing is we're starting from scratch. Let's train them about the marketplace. And we have a lot of changes in the U.S., right? What is the Affordable Care Act and what does it mean? We talk about how physician payment is changing. We talk about the different care delivery models, patient-centered medical home, ACOs and such. And so the idea being that now you can start to understand what is the real need of the customer sitting across from me. It's very different than it was probably yesterday. And if I understand what your needs are, hopefully then I can present my products in a way that meets your needs versus I'm here to tell you about my product and I hope you use it for the next 10 patients. That model is gone. It's really where how the brand again fits to the customer needs. I think if we do that, as well as what we're doing with key account management, and as well as I think how we partner differently with payers, I really see an opportunity for us to be more customer centric. And I think, and this is I know very aspirational, but really improve our reputation and get back to, you know, I've been in the business 30 years. When I was a representative, you know, physicians called me because they needed samples or information, right? I don't think that happens today. We get kicked out of offices because we're doing the wrong things, right? We're not being relevant. If we can improve our relevance and our partnership, I think we can actually get a more positive reputation with customers, eventually create partnerships where we can bring more value where it's appropriate. And part of that is actually saying and understanding that, you know, we're not going to put the drug in the water anymore, right? Here's where it fits, here's where it doesn't fit, and we're fine with that. Let's provide the best value we can when you need to use our product to make sure you've selected the right patient through a diagnostic tool, that they're on the drug, and that you keep them on the drug if you want them. So.